welcome to Recipe Fever Vlogs. Guys, today I'm gonna show you an ultimate ghee rice recipe that will bombard the flavors in your mouth. This is one of the best recipe that you can make for Christmas with the Big Boss chicken that I made earlier. So, if you haven't seen that recipe, I have put the link in the description box. Please check it out. Now, let's start making the ghee rice. For that, I have kept a non-stick pan for heating and I will add 3 tablespoons of ghee to it. Once the ghee melts, I will add 1/4 cup of cashews and fry it on a low flame until it turns to a light brown color. This is done. I will take the cashews and add 1/4 cup of raisins. Within few minutes, you can see that the raisins are cooked. So, let's take it and keep it aside. Next, I have washed and taken 2 cups of basmati rice. To this, I will add 4 cups of water for soaking. Guys, we will be using this water to cook the rice. We have to soak the rice for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I have kept a kadai with enough oil for frying the onions. To the hot oil, I will add 3 onions that are cut into long slices. We have to fry the onions until they turn to a golden brown color and becomes crispy. Now the onions are done. So I will take it from the oil and spread it on a plate so that it becomes crispy and also it will not get stuck to one another. It's been 20 minutes now. So I will drain the water from the rice and keep them aside. Guys, please don't throw the water. Now, I have kept a cooker for heating along with the ghee that we used to fry the cashews and raisins. Also, I will add 2 more tablespoons of ghee to it. To the hot ghee, I will add 1 bay leaf torn into pieces, 2 cinnamon sticks, 6 cardamoms, 6 cloves, half star anise, and a small piece of nutmeg. Let's saute them in the ghee for 1 minute on a medium flame and add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 1 green chili that is slit in the middle. We will saute this for 2 minutes on a low flame. Then let's add 1 onion that is cut into long slices. We will saute the onions for 5 minutes on a low flame. Meanwhile, I have kept the rice soaked water for boiling. It's been 5 minutes and the onions has turned soft. At this stage, I will add the soaked basmati rice. Let's mix everything well and fry the basmati rice in ghee and the spices for 5 minutes on a medium flame. Guys, you will start to hear the sizzling sounds from the rice. It is the indication that the rice has started to fry. Now, once the rice has fried, let's pour the hot boiling water to the rice. Let's stir it once and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Also, I will add the juice of half lemon from which I have removed the seeds. Let's stir it once and close it with a lid and cook the rice for 5 minutes on a medium flame. Meanwhile, I have kept an iron tawa for heating. After 5 minutes, you can see that the water has reduced and the rice is half cooked. At this stage, I will remove it from the stove and place the hot iron tawa on the stove. And then I will place the cooker on it. We will mix the rice once so that the water is spread evenly. Now, let's close it and cook it on a low flame for 15 minutes. Also, I will place a weight on it. It's been 15 minutes now, so I will switch off the stove and open it only after 10 minutes. It's the time now to open the lid. Wow, the rice has cooked perfectly. So, I will transfer this to a large cookware and add the fried onions, cashews, raisins and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Now, we will mix the rice gently such that it doesn't break. Ta-da! The delicious, rich and yummy ghee rice is ready to be served. Do try this recipe and enjoy it with your loved ones. Also, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and press all to get instant notifications of my new recipes. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share it with everyone you know. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.